Welcome to a short presentation of Ontario Wet Basement Solutions crack repair procedure. First, we go into the home to determine which area of the basement the water is entering in. Next, we go outside to see if any cracks are visible on the poured foundation in the general area that we found the leak on the inside. We also inspect the foundation for any other cracks that are visible to see if there's any issues with them. Not all cracks leak, but it's nice to know where they all are. Now we go inside and open up the wall to expose the crack. We clean the crack of debris and prep it for the epoxy. Once cleaned, we attach the injection ports and let them cure. Then we paste over the crack and inject it with a low pressure epoxy that fills the crack and bonds with the concrete. Another view of a crack that's exposed after we open up the wall. And again, after the ports and the paste over is done, it's all ready for injection. And again, another presentation of it being pasted over and injected. Thank you for watching, and if you need more information, please go to OntarioWetBasement.com or contact us. We're happy to help. Have a great day.